Assalamu alaikum Mid-City students and welcome to the academic session 2020-21. Hope you all are doing well and enjoying the online classes. Hope you had enjoyed the Eid ul-Azha. Now coming to the online classes, today is our 7th lecture of Science for Grade 2. A short review of the last class, that was what are the uses of rocks. Our today's topic is what are natural and man-made materials. Kindly refer to page number 36. What are natural materials? Rocks are natural materials. Natural materials are found in nature. They are not made by man or human. Natural materials can come from animals or plants. So we will learn in this lecture that what are natural materials and what are man-made materials. Now going further with the explanation, you can refer this to page number 37. There are two images on the slide. The first is wool. Wool which comes from sheep. It is used to make caps and sweaters. The second is the cotton, which comes from cotton plant. It is used to make t-shirts and towels. Now coming further with the explanation, you can see more two images on the slide. That is rubber. Rubber comes from rubber tree. It is used to make gloves and boots. The other slide, that is wood. Wood comes from trees. It is used to make tables and chairs. Now the next explanation, that is what are man-made materials. You can see here on the picture, on the slide, the picture given, that is paper. Man-made materials are made by humans. They are not found in nature. This is the best example of it. Paper comes from trees. It is made by humans. Paper is a man-made material. It is used to make books and bags. Now going further with the explanation, you can see on the slide there are two different examples. The first is the crude oil. Plastics are made from this type of oil. They are used to make toys, bricks and clothing. The second example is natural glass. Glass is made from sand and limestone. It is used to make bottles and bowls. There are more other examples in your book. You can kindly refer to page number 40 and 41. What we have learned today is natural materials are found in nature. Cotton, rubber and wool are natural materials that come from plants. Wool and silk are natural materials that come from animals. Man-made materials are made by humans. We have seen that paper, plastic, ceramic, natural glass are man-made materials. So with this we have completed the explanation. Hope in the next class we will start with the new chapter, changes. Hope this class was a beneficial one. Thank you, grade 2.